Hello everyone, my name is Moran and welcome back to Tutorials Hub channel. Today's video is going to be about how you can create a new product on your Shopify store. Before we get deeper into this video, I wanted you to know that you can check the link down in our description and start your Shopify for free. So let's get started with this video. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the products here and we're gonna click in the top right corner, add product. So we're gonna name this product, we can name it, I don't know, Infinite Ballers Hoodie Test. We're gonna use some random words, just random text for the description. I'm just gonna copy paste this text. All right, now I have to find some media. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we're just gonna use my random photo on here as a product image. We're gonna set the price for like $20, 20 euros, compared price 25, cost per item, let's say that we got that item for 10 euros. And we want to track the quantity, or we can untrack it, but we want to track it. So we sell at multiple locations. Here you can put basically that the product will be selling even though we don't have it in the stock, so we can restock even once we sold all the products. So we can keep this one turned on in my case. So weight of the product, we're gonna put half a kilo. Region origin, we don't have to put anything of that, so we can put different variants of the products. We can put sizes, so we can put like small, medium, large, extra large. Okay, so we can use pretty much the same image for the one that we have, so we don't have to add any additional images over here. And here we are able to do SEO. This is going to be the headline of the SEO, so I can just rewrite something in case I want to have it rewritten. Let's say that we don't want to have a test, we want to have ballers here. They took a product description to add it as a description on our SEO page. And this will be our URL handle, so where somebody will be able to access directly the product page from this particular link. I'm gonna press save, and the product is pretty much saved. So if in case we want to check how this page looks like, I'm gonna press view over here, and this is the product page. The image is blurry because the image that we uploaded is blurry, so that's not something that concerns me, but they won't be able to find that specific product in any of our collections because we haven't added any collection tag for this product. So what we can do, we can actually add this particular product to a specific collection. So how to do that? We're gonna navigate over to collection. We can use in between, for example, collection, and we can add our newly added product. We'll be looking for the test product. Now we can press done. As you can see, this is in our in between collection, so we will be navigating over to our in between. Okay, we don't have in between collection published, so we will have to do it in another collection. We will do pretty much the same process for Beyond the Game collection. So we will search for the product. I'm gonna use this one, and I should be ready to try it out. So let's click Beyond the Game. As you can see, this product has been added to this specific collection. I want to remind you one more time, if you're keen to starting Shopify store, click the link down below and you'll get it for 1 month for free. So in case you have any additional questions, like if you want to learn something new about Shopify, please leave a comment down below and we will definitely make a video upon it. Thank you guys for watching. See you.